So I've been so excited to start decorating for Christmas in our new home. I'm gonna first start with this tree, so I hope you enjoy. So for this ribbon technique, as you can see, I've started at the top doing some kind of fake bows. So to create those, I'm just taking my ribbon, letting it unroll a little bit on the floor, and I just fold over, collect, and fold over and collect. And you can make as many or as little loops as you want. I do some 3s, some 2s, maybe some 4s, and you can even do just one loop, but it kind of makes somewhat of a bow look for the top of the tree, which is nice. And then I'm simply kind of going down the tree, tucking the ribbon into the tree. And I'm not being super careful to follow any specific pattern because I want this to kind of look organic and just to flow with the shape of this tree. So I'm just kind of letting it kind of fall down, tucking it in. For this in particular ribbon, if it turns around, it actually doesn't look bad because the other side just adds a different look with just the solid blue. So I'm not really too careful about that, but mainly I am trying to keep the face of the ribbon that has this glitter showing on the front. And also, every once in a while, when I'm letting the ribbon fall down the tree, I'll just turn it like this and add a curl so that it's not quite as much like of a patterned and planned look of the ribbon coming down the tree. And sometimes there's areas like this where it just maybe needs the addition of one single loop. So I just cut a piece like this and fit it in where it seems that it's kind of missing or needs another piece of ribbon.